Hello, this is Jason, and I am here in Chinatown Kuala Lumpur on Petaling Street. And I think there's food here. There's, souvenirs. Looks like shoes. I think they got a lot of knockoff stuff here. I've never been here before, so I am kind of just guessing. Seafood, actually, so maybe it's just stuff. Bags. Shoes. Watches. Sunglasses. Looks like Apple Watch Ultras. It's pretty good. Knockoff. Some socks. Little bags, sling bags. Watches and vapes and shoes. Oh my. Some fruits. 4 for $2.50. Pears. Oh wow, it branches off. Lots of stuff. I guess let's just walk down each little aisle, see if there's anything special. Seems like a lot of same stuff for Pete's. Here's some food stalls. Drinks. Fruit soda. $2 smoothies. I miss my $1 smoothies. Some more food. Barbecue chicken.
Simplified Chinese? No, it's the same.
Hong Kong egg waffles. Alright. Let's check out the other side.
Hello.
I just ignore everyone. As a general rule, I never buy anything from anyone that tries to, ask me to buy stuff. So if you're saying, come into my store, here, I've got something for you to buy. That's what I ignore. You'll avoid 99% of scams. You avoid people that are calling at you to buy their stuff. I'm sure there's honest people that just want you to come to their store, but unfortunately, the scammers have ruined it for a lot of people. All right, let's head down this one. Tons and tons of stalls. If I see something I could use as a sweat rag, I might buy that. Apple Watch face.
Very hard.
I'm sweaty.
Come here. Please.
You have sweat rags for me to buy?
Yes.
I sweat so much more than the average person. And good, all these people, I don't see anyone nearly as sweaty as me. I think ultimately I'll have to end up going to a place that's higher climate, like Baguio or Dalat.
How much is this one? I think I'll change that one. Yes, please. Yeah, Alamin.
A lot of shorts. I don't see any cargo shorts. People are probably sick of me talking about cargo shorts. They are a rarity.
Hi bro, where is the bro?
So much stuff. Keeps going and going. These hats are nice. They look very cool.
I saw Dr. Sindik's.
Lots of stuff. Knives, lighters. Wow. All right, let's say we're about halfway through now. Let's get down the other. Stuck behind someone with a baby stroller. Pants. Oh, I'm just dripping sweat.
Abang-abang Pak. Makamnya.
Oh, now we have two strollers heading each other.
Se le seque la boca.
Tapi kalau nak ambil pun hari ni tak ada.
Which one you like? Which one?
Espero que te vaya a aguantar. Généralement, que suffirait.
Venga por ahí.
Go inside, go inside. Hello.
Definitely way more stuff than food here. I thought it was more of a mix of a food market and a stuff market. Those bandanas could work for a sweat rag.
I help you. I not buy. Because it's money changer is difficult.
Durian. All right, one more aisle. Got a lot more space to walk down this one.
How are you, sir? Any good watches? I got better quality watches.
All right, coming to the end. Alrighty, gonna wrap it up. Took about 20 minutes to walk through the whole Petaling Street. And I'm sweating profusely. All right, well, that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later. Take it easy.